Hi everyone, this is Kumar, Founder Director, Triotech Software Trainings. Today, I came up with a very interesting topic, that is impact of artificial intelligence on Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications. Because nowadays, if you see, everywhere in the market, straight from discussing with your friend or when you switch on your TV and you want to watch any news channel or you want to go through any business programs or anything, everywhere we are listening a word called AI, that is artificial intelligence, right? And it became a more buzzword in the market, and also particularly for the IT consultants, it became a more fear also with respective to their career. Because many people, whenever I discuss personally with my students, before enrolling to the program, when they came and when they have a counseling session with me or my team, every time we've been frequently listening this question from the participants. Kumar, what is the impact of AI in Oracle HCM Cloud? Does it really have huge impact and changing our employment things in Oracle HCM Cloud? Will AI replace our job in Oracle HCM Cloud? If we learn this technology now in 2025 or 26, our jobs will be safe, or will AI will replace our jobs? This is one of the most common thing everyone having think. Obviously, having that question is a very right thing only. I'm not telling that you should not ask that, because everywhere in the world today, AI. That is what, from starting from governments to the business people using that particular terminology everywhere. See, if you ask me, what is the role of AI in Oracle HCM Cloud? Will that replace our jobs in HCM? Definitely no. A very big no. It's not going to replace any of our jobs in this technology. Unlike other technologies team, Oracle Fusion applications is most driven towards the human involvement. Without human involvement, without the solution designing, without the client-centric approach, without that decisiveness, we cannot handle Oracle Fusion Cloud applications. So, AI replacement the jobs in Oracle HCM Cloud? Definitely not there. Not only today, I'm telling you very strongly, in the next upcoming years also, replacement of a consultant with AI to implement this technology, no, that will never happen, team. But what is the role? Already within our Oracle Fusion also, we are having AI concepts are there. You are also mentioning in the demo session that we have in the curriculum artificial intelligence in Oracle HCM Cloud. Yes, we have that thing. In Fusion technology, artificial intelligence will be used for more user convenience to use the system, in a more engaged experience to handle the application, in order to make some automations within the technology functionalities. We are having AI concept introduced. Already the AI or generative AI concepts, Oracle introduced in the Fusion application. It's already been 2 years since today. We are having AI concepts in Oracle HCM Cloud. In fact, in our training sessions, we are also touch basing on that. We have AI chatbots introduced in the help desk area, and we have generative AI features in our talent management module for conducting the performance evaluations, writing the employer comments, manager comments while reviews are happening, or in the Oracle Recruiting Cloud to generate the job descriptions, position descriptions, analyzing the applications that we receive. In all these modules, already AI as a feature we are using. Okay, so to use the Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications in a more simplest way, in a more automated way, in a more seamless, adaptable way, AI will be used in the the Oracle HCM Cloud. Other than that, we definitely don't have any issue in replacing the jobs by AI in this technology. Why? Because team, when it comes to the ERP application, the best part here is client to client, the requirements will be different. Whenever we working in the real time, every client requirement will be different. There won't be any static approach that we have to follow here to implement Oracle Fusion application. Every client business is different. Every client requirements will be different. Every client solutioning should be different. So, without a human involvement to design that particular solution or that architecture to deploy into the system or to configure the system, directly AI cannot take up that role. Human involvement, human intellectuality to configure the system is more evident in Oracle Fusion applications. Whereas other technologies, anything related to the testing tools if you take, or any programming related tools you take, Java, Python, any scripting, any codes, there they might give a automation kind of thing where human replacements can be done over there. So the more layoffs in the market if you see because of AI will be in those areas only. We have never seen any single news that we have a layoffs because of artificial intelligence replacing humans in Oracle Fusion application. In Oracle also we are seeing layoffs, but not in the technology of Fusion, in DBS or in other technologies of Oracle, because Oracle means it not only deals with only Fusion applications, right? They have hundreds of technologies they are offering in the market. In other segment where the AI impact and the replacement of human consultants are there, the layoffs are happening in Oracle also. But in Oracle Fusion Cloud applications, there is no single layoff by any company in the world with the AI technology replacement here. So don't get worried. AI will not take your jobs. Definitely this is going to be a game changer in the industry. Without any AI impact, Oracle Fusion applications is one good technology in the market, I can say. And your jobs also will be more secured and very long time. At least for next 15 to 20 years in the market, this technology is going to be there. Because every technology nowadays moving towards cloud. And that too, in the cloud space also, by adapting the more AI features or functionalities. Oracle investing a lot compared to their competitors team. You take SAP, Workday or any other technologies in the market. Oracle already introduced AI into their technology and also investing a lot in their research and development to enhance Fusion application with a more AI-centric adaptable technology in the market. So, if every functionality in the system becoming more comfort, more flexibility to use, many companies will start adopting Oracle Fusion application because it's a complete suite of technology currently in the market we have. Different business products all together clubbed as a one single solution. Oracle applications are being offered. We have financials, we have supply chain, we have HCM, we have operations related, we have procurement, CRM. If a company want to use any technology, they no need to go for finance one product, for HCM one product, for operations one product, for sales one product. No, it's a compact solution. Within one single product, all these business areas can be handled by the client. That is the biggest reason team Oracle Fusion applications became the market leader today in the world. So, if you are really serious about your career, if you are confused where to start, which technology to choose, and if you have a long career breaks, now you want to restart your career, or if you are from a non-IT backgrounds, want to start your career in IT, or you are a fresher, want to start your career in IT, definitely Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications will be your right choice to start your career. So in this technology, in Triotech, every month we will have the training program conducted by me. So the upcoming batch scheduled on January 5th, 2026, morning 7 to 8 a.m. So you can reach out to the below display number, get your registration done today and get your meeting details for the free masterclass demo on January 5th, morning 7 to 8 a.m. IST. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I'll meet you in the next video with a next topic. Thank you everyone.